This is the first depth, second depth method of answering physics questions. It's just a different method to the 1, 2, 3 approach I've been teaching in earlier videos. Whichever method you like most is the one you want to use. So how do we use this method? Well, I'm bringing up a question. It's a question I've used to explain the 1, 2, 3 method before. This time, instead of focusing on the unit of measurement first, we focus on the starting depth according to the question. And that's the first number we write down. 20 meters, salt water. The pressure at 20 meters of salt water is 3 atmospheres. I divide the first depth by the second depth. It's always divide. So what is the second depth? It's 10 meters. 10 meters of salt water, the pressure is 2 atmospheres. I've got 3 divided by 2, or 3 over 2. I've just written down the fractional change that will happen to this balloon as it moves from 20 meters to 10 meters. In order to use that in a calculator, I obviously need to do the math. 3 divided by 2 is 1.5, and that is the number I would use. I refer to this number as my change constant, or change value. Whether that's correct mathematically or scientifically, I don't really care. It's what I call it. So that is the number that we're going to use to calculate the change in this balloon. We now need to take the volume of the balloon to start with, 9 litres, and we need to decide, is it going to get bigger or is it going to get smaller? It's going from 20 meters to 10 meters. It's going up. I'm going to use the number 1.5 that I've already calculated to make it bigger. How do I make 9 bigger using the number 1.5? I multiply. So it's pretty easy to make that decision there. 9 multiplied by 1.5 will tell me the change in this balloon in terms of litres. It's now going to have a new volume of 13.5 litres. The correct answer is B. I'm going to be doing 3 more videos in addition to this one, looking at the first depth, second depth method to just introduce you to it. There's a little bit more to learn on this one, but hopefully you've got a good grasp of the basics of it, and it's well worth watching the next few videos to really understand how it can be very, very effective. Example video 4 is going to be a particularly good one. So feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can see my videos as I slowly release them. And of course on my Facebook page you'll find